Hello, this is Ella from Liudu Factory of Welding Machines. Today I will introduce the high-power, high-speed model TOP3400C. Let's check the parameters of this machine. The highest welding speed could reach 15 meters per minute. And the power is 3,600 watts. It's a high power, high speed model. For this model, there are some advantages. Let me introduce. So you could see the structure of this model. It's a heavy duty machine. There is a lifter in the front of the machine. You could see I could move it very easily with the lifter. When you make welding work, you just put it up. Then the machine will make welding work. When you put it up, you couldn't move it easily. After welding work, you could put the wheels down. Then you could move the machine very easily and change direction very easily during work. And for this model, you could see for the wheels, there is a gap of the wheel. You could put a belt here when your material is thickness. When your material is very thick, and also it will help you to make the rope hemming conveniently to put the rope here, make the rope hemming standard and fast. And here you could see there is a LED light. It will light this part, so you could check the welding very convenient. Especially when the light situation is not that bright, like in windy day or in the night. It's very useful, small spares, the LED light. And then here comes the screen, the digital screen, the display panel. It will show the temperature, speed, heating on and off very clear on the screen. And this is the multiple function button. It controls all the parameters here. By press and rotate, you could adjust the parameters you need. And then for this part, this is the most important part of a welding machine. For this welding machine, we use the imported high quality heating wire. It's a brand from Sweden. It's called Consel. You could check it. It's a top manufacturer of the heating wires. So the lifetime of the heating element is very long. It's of very high quality. And for the motor, the fan of this machine, it's a brushless fan. Brushless fan, it means there is no need to replace the carbon brush regularly. No maintenance needed. And then here comes for the laser. The laser is also liked by clients. It helps to judge if the machine goes straight in the right direction. Because the machine works automatically, no need to check it every time. You just let the machine do the welding work automatically. You could judge if the machine in the right way by the laser here. And here comes the the back of the machine. Here is the auto balance system with two wheels here. So it will help you make welding work perfect without no leakage of welding for the auto balance system. So this is this model.